Hi children, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So before we get into this, already we have learned in the previous class like terms. Do you remember what are like terms? Yes, like terms are terms with same literal coefficients. For example, can you give example for a like terms? Okay, 3x, correct? Then 4x, yes, 5x, negative 5, negative positive. The numerical coefficients can vary, but the literal coefficients remain the same. Such terms are known as like terms. Okay, this we already discussed in the previous class. Why I am telling this again? Because we are going to learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So to do that, we need this concept, like term concept. Okay, so the addition can be done or subtraction can be done only when the terms are like terms. Okay, so this is application of addition and subtraction is exactly the application of like terms. So the application of like terms to do addition and subtraction. Okay, let's see the questions. Add. So addition and subtraction of algebraic expression is an application of like terms. Add 3x and 4x. I have given two algebraic expressions, 3x and 4x. Okay, so look at the expressions. 3x, the numerical coefficient is 3 and the literal coefficient is what? Yes, x. And here numerical coefficient is, yes, 4 and literal coefficient is x. Okay, so we are going to add it. So before adding, what we have to do? Yes, we have to check those terms are like terms. Let's check whether they are like terms. Come on, check it. Yes, 3x, 4x. The literal coefficient. Check the literal coefficients. What is the literal coefficient in both these terms? Correct. The literal coefficient is x. Right? So they are like terms. So we have confirmed the terms, they are like terms. Now we can add. How we are going to add it? Just like normal way, we are going to add these two expressions. They are like terms, that is 3x addition. What's the addition? Added to 4x. Okay. How you know to add normal numbers, right? How do we add like terms? How do we add it? Any idea how do we add it? Yes, add the numbers. Add the numerical coefficients. What are the numerical coefficients here? With the sign you have to see. The numerical coefficient is 3, positive 3. Here it is positive 4. So add those two numerical coefficients. So when you add those two numerical coefficients, what do you get? Exactly, that is 7. Then what do you do with this literal coefficients? What do you do? Literal coefficients will not be added. It will be kept in the same way. So answer is 7x. Okay, so added two like terms 3x and 4x. So the answer is 7x. Let's see another example. Next one. Add 8xy, comma 4xy, comma 2xy. So here I have given three expressions. 8xy, 4xy, all these expressions. We have learned expressions and they have named in different way, right? How many terms here 8xy? Yes, exactly one term. So all these expressions are one term. So they are known as, they have specific name. Last class we learned it. What do you call? Yes, they are known as monomials. So all these are monomials. Okay. Now we have to check whether they are like terms. Check it. xy, xy, xy. So all the expressions are like terms. So now we can add it. Adding. So what do you get? Yeah, 8xy plus 4xy plus 2xy is equal to, only add the numerical coefficients. What are the numerical coefficients? And check their sign also. So 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? Yes, 12. 12 plus 2. What is 12 plus 2? 14. So the answer is 14. Then the literal coefficients. The literal coefficients is xy. So 14 xy. Okay. So next one, third one. Third question. Add 3x plus 11 and 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5. Okay, so here we could see there's a difference. Here we had taken all monomials. Now you look here, what is this? How many terms? This expression has how many terms? Yes, 2 terms, right? When they have 2 terms, what do you call? Yes, they are known as binomials, right? So binomials are going to be added. So same way, when you have to add, join the expression with addition sign. Okay, so we are joining it. When you join it, what do you get? So first expression, 3x plus 11. Okay, plus, join, added to. First expression added to second expression, 7x minus 5. So the expressions are joined, added. Now what do you have to do? You have to collect the how many terms. Now when you join, we can see how many terms. The terms are increased, right? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So out of these 4 terms, collect the like terms. Which are the like terms? Okay. Which are the like terms? Check it. 3x, 7x. Okay. So 3x plus 7x. Like terms are collected. Now there are numbers. Numbers have to be collected. 11 minus 5. And see the sign too. What we have the sign. What is the sign given over? Then. Okay. Now check the like terms. The like terms can be added. That we already learned it. So 3 plus 7. We get 10x. Then numbers can be added according to their signs. Positive 11, negative 5. So we have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So what would be the answer? Come on. Yes, positive 6. So 10x plus 6. So the answer is a binomial because we have added 2 binomials. Okay. Next we can see. Now we can see the third one. Fourth one. Add 3x plus 11. 3x plus 11 plus 8 is said. Okay. And 7x minus 5 plus 3 is said. Okay. Now you can see as we are moving on to the next question, next level. you can see the number of terms increasing. Okay. So in the previous problem, third problem, we discussed binomial. Now you see how many terms are there. Come on. 1, 2, 3. What is it? 3 terms. What do you call 3 terms expression? Yes. Trinomials. Right? So we are going to add trinomials. So we are going to add trinomials. So join the trinomials with addition sign. So joining 3x plus 11 plus 8z. The first expression added 2. So added sign plus. To second expression 7x minus 5 plus 3z. Okay. So after joining it, what is the next step? After joining it, what is the next step? Yes, collecting the like terms. So collect the like terms. 3x plus 7x. One like term, one group. Okay. Second one, 8z plus 8z plus 8z plus 3z. Another like term. Another like term group. Then remaining is number. Positive 11 and negative 5. So 3 groups are formed. One group is a like term with variable x. Second group is a like term group with variable z. And the third group is the numericals, group of numbers. Right? So let's do now. 3x plus 7x. Come on, tell me the answer. What is it? Yes, 10x. Correct. 10x. Next one. Don't immediately put the sign. As you finish the first group, wait and see the next group. What are the signs? Then, according to the answer, you have to put the sign. Okay? So, positive 8z plus 3z. Both are positive. So, we know the answer also will come in positive. So, positive 8z plus 3z. What we get? What we get? Come on, think. Yes, 11 is it. Correct. 11 is it. Okay. Then, next one. Third group. Positive 11 minus 5. Get the answer fast. What is the answer? Positive 11 minus 5. Yeah, the answer is positive 6. So, we got an answer 10x plus 11z plus 6. So, it is a trinomial. Okay, it's a trinomial. Clear? So, the addition, few questions are done. Now, again, we are going into the another same pattern of addition. So, I have explained one pattern of addition of algebraic expression. Now, moving on to the second pattern of addition of expressions, that is collect the like terms, collect the like terms, collect the like terms and simplify. Collect the like terms and simplify. Okay, so here the question is 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. Okay, here what is the difference you have seen in this question and the previous questions? There the expressions are given separately and we combine those expressions to solve. Right? Here the expressions are not given separately, it's already combined, it's already joined. What we have to do is, from this whole expression, we have to collect the like terms, arrange it and and then do addition as we did earlier. Okay? So, how many terms? Count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Some terms are like terms. Come on, find it out. Which are the like terms? Yes. Yes, 12m square. That's one term. What is the like term related to 12m square? Yes, minus 4m square. So, 2 terms are over. Correct? Then look on to another like terms. Minus 9m. Okay? Yes. Plus 5m. Correct? Okay? Go ahead. What's the next? Yes. Minus 7m. Correct? So, that set is over. Okay? So, this is one set of like term. This is another set of like terms. Then finally only one number is left, that is 10. After collecting it, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct, 6 terms, right? Okay. Now we do the addition according to the signs. Look at the signs first. 12 and negative 4. Positive 12 and negative 4. You learned integers. So everywhere, whatever you have learned, its application is coming. Yes, positive 12, negative 4. What do you get? Yes, you get positive 8. So 8m square. Okay, that is done. Next we have 3 terms. So you take first 2. Okay, negative 9, positive 5. Let's do that. What do you get? Yes, come on fast. Integers you have learned already. Yes, negative 4. Negative 4. Right? Then we have one more. Negative 7. So negative 7. Negative 4. Negative 7. Yes. Think of the rule. 2 integers are having same sign. Make it fast. Yes. Negative 11. So the final answer is negative 11 m. Don't forget to put that m letter. Okay. Then finally positive 10. So the answer is 8m square minus 11m plus 10. Okay. Another question. Another question is x minus bracket 2x minus y. Okay, minus y minus bracket y minus x. Y minus x. So here in the question it is a bit differences there. There is bracket. Okay, so when bracket comes, what we have to do? Okay, so what we have to do is x. When bracket comes, what we have to do is open the bracket and bring out the terms. Here we have 2 terms. Which are the 2 terms? 2x and negative 1. So we have to open the bracket, remove the bracket. So when you remove the bracket, see the sign in front of the bracket. Okay, so minus sign. So when minus sign is in front of the bracket, the terms which are inside that become additive inverse, because you already learned additive inverse, opposite sign. So what is the sign of 2 here? Yes, positive. So it becomes negative 2x. Okay, what is the sign of y here? Negative. So it becomes, its additive inverse is? Yes, positive. So positive y. Why this is happening? Because there is subtraction sign here. If it is plus sign, it will not change. It will come like positive 2x as it is. There is no change. Okay. Since it is minus sign, the positive 2 will become negative. Negative 2 will become positive. Clear? Minus y Now here also we have to apply the same because there is bracket. Open the bracket and change it into additive inverse. Positive y. Okay, so it become negative y. Negative x, it become positive x. This change has happened because in front of the bracket there is a negative sign. Okay, so if it is addition sign, it will never change. Okay, now collect the like terms. Now collect the like terms. X minus 2x, they are like terms, and here also one like term. So x minus 2x plus x, one group. Okay, then plus y minus y minus y, second group. Two groups. Okay, so now adding. Now if there is no numerical in front of a variable, what would be the numerical? Yes, this is 1. So 1, first we will do these two. 1 and positive 1 and negative 2. So positive 1 and negative 2. Come on, solve and say. Yes, negative 1. That's not over. Now negative 1. Now we come to here. What is the numerical here? Positive 1. So positive 1. Okay. So we get 0. That means x term is not there. That is 0x. Okay. Like that. Come to the other side. Here positive 1. Here negative 1. So it becomes 0. Then again negative 1. So it becomes negative 1. So it is negative 1. That means 0x. X variables numerical coefficient has become 0. Which means that is not existing. We can write the answer negative y. Okay. Once again listen. A very different problem. When there is bracket, what we have to do is open the bracket. When you open the bracket, check the sign before the bracket. If it is minus sign, then you have to take the additive inverse of these two terms. If it is plus sign, it would come same as it is. Okay. So it is negative sign. So additive inverse of positive 2. That is negative 2x. Additive inverse of negative y is positive y. Then negative y. Again here, additive inverse of positive y is negative y. Additive inverse of negative x is positive x. After opening the bracket, collect the like terms. X minus 2x plus x, one group of like terms. Another group, y minus y minus y, second set. Okay, now what we have to do? Now take the numerical coefficients. What is the numerical coefficient of x? That is positive 1. What is the numerical coefficient of x? That is negative 2. So when you solve it, it will become negative 1. Okay, then negative 1, what is the numerical coefficient of x here? Positive 1. So it becomes 0. So 0x. Okay, now coming to the second group, positive 1 and negative 1. Taking two terms to solve, that would be easier. Then it becomes 0. Then 0 and negative 1. So it's negative 1. So that is negative 1y. You can write negative 1y. Later it will be changed to negative y. So when 1 comes, we will write only negative y. Okay. And 0 comes, just avoid that term. Clear? Okay. One more question. Negative 7xy plus 8. Okay. Plus 2xy minus 9 plus 8xy plus 6 plus 3xy minus 10. Okay. Just collect the like terms. Here there is no bracket. It's a simple, but a long expression. collect the like terms. Come on, collect the like terms. Tell. Yes, negative 7xy. Then this is 2xy, sorry, 2xy. And this is 8xy. Okay, so plus 2xy plus 8xy plus 3xy. So we got a group of like terms, a group containing the like terms. Then we have numbers positive 8, negative 9, positive 6, negative 10. Next group. Okay, so now solve it. Take 2 first. Yeah, negative 7 and positive 2. Solve that. Negative 7, positive 2. Come on, say. Yes. Negative 5. Then negative 5 and positive 8. Okay. So what we get? Positive 3. Then positive 3, positive 3. Positive 6. So the answer of this first group expression is 6xy. Okay. Now numbers. 8, negative 9. What we get? 8 and negative 9. Yes, negative 1. Then positive 6. Negative 1 and positive 6. We get positive 5. Positive 5 and negative 10. We get negative 5. Right? So the answer is 6xy minus 5. Okay? So to add algebraic expressions, we have to collect what terms? Yes, like terms. So the application of like terms is for adding the algebraic expressions. Okay?